15-minute pasta we're doing today. Spaghetti carbonara done in no time. Look at this beautiful sauce, creamy and everything. This is what we're doing today. Stick around. I'm Monica Chaveniak here with Fearless Cooking. Spaghetti 15 minutes, that's what we're doing. The water is cooking, and it's very important when we make pasta that we put salt in your pot. Very important. We'll take our pasta. This pasta takes about 8 minutes, but we're only going to cook it about 5 minutes. About 3 minutes less than what it says on the package in order to make our pasta. So basically it is a carbonara, but it's my version of carbonara, and it only takes 15 minutes. I have here, usually you would supposed to take some bacon or pancetta. I have here turkey bacon, which is also less, and it's not as fatty as our bacon. But that's all I have on hand here today. So that's Fearless is all about improvising. Also going in with some garlic. I like them chunky. I'm shortly going to saute this a little bit. But we also need some eggs. Carbonara is not made with cream, as some people would think. Cream is not carbonara. So if you want to make the real original one, then you would use pancetta, and you would definitely not use cream. I have here 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk that I'm whipping up, and I'm going to add some Grana Padano cheese, which is almost like Parmesan cheese. I like it better for this dish, so I'm just going to add that. You can also use pecorino cheese. You can use a mixture of it, and I'm going to whip this up. I'm going to check out our pasta. It'll be just another 2 minutes. Our pasta is just about ready. What we're going to do is we're just going to take that out with the water and everything and throw it into this frying pan. It's a few minutes earlier than we would say, so it's about 5 minutes. Now what you want to do is you want to work with your pasta water. This is beautiful stuff here. You got the salt and everything, you got the starch from the pasta. We're going to make the sauce this way. And we're turning this on high heat now. Cook the pasta up a little bit more, probably another minute or so in the frying pan. So we've been sauteing this a minute or so. Of course, we want our pasta to be al dente. What I'm doing now is I'm going to just turn this off for a second. Just cool it down the top a little bit, because I'm going to put the eggs in. And that is where you either have scrambled eggs and eat it tomorrow morning, or you have carbonara tonight. So as I said, it is a fast dish. 15-minute max. Put this on here now. And now we're going to make a paste out of it. We'll add a little bit more water here. Here we go. Beautiful sauce. Beautiful sauce. That's just about it. That's what I want. Now never ever put oil in your pasta water, because the sauce will not cling to your pasta if you do that. Always only salt. This is it. There we go. Beautiful carbonara. We need a little bit of Italian parsley on it, or if you have any other herbs. A little bit more of cheese. Just a little bit. There you are. Have to look good. If you enjoyed this session, please don't forget to click likes or subscribe. That would be even more fantastic. Remember to be fearless in your kitchen. See you next time.